The McKinley County District Attorney's Office is now under investigation after accusations of mishandling cases there.
Here's Faith Ibarra with details.
McKinley County District Attorney Bernadine Martin in hot water. Her failed attempts for an emergency payout fell on deaf ears at Tuesday's Board of Finance meeting.
We've got 3 career staff members who've been there their whole career. They're in fear that if they're not paid, they'll lose their vacation time or their sick leave or their PERA, their seniority. But I still need to pay internet. We have to pay the phones. We have to pay the gas cards. We are people. We're not politics. We want to do our work prosecuting cases in McKinley County. And I ask for your support to grant the request and let the court handle the rest of it.
The DA requesting $3.8 million, but was denied.
Right after this meeting, a conversation should happen, and they should start figuring out how to resolve this issue, because it's not our issue to deal with.
This after her office was defunded over low prosecution rates and high case loads.
This is an incredibly unusual and troubling situation because you have the elected district attorney of a judicial district, in this case in Gallup, in this clash over funding for her office and their operations of her office. And now you have an attorney general investigation as to whether she can be removed from office.
The concern prompting state lawmakers to take action, revoking her funds as an elected official. Her office defunded under the $10.8 billion budget bill signed into law back in April.
It's not good for the people of that judicial district, because anytime you have that kind of turmoil in a district attorney's office, the question is, are crimes being prosecuted? Are cases being moved through court? Or is everything at a standstill?
The board finalizing the decision to not grant Martin the payouts on a 3-1 vote. Faith Ibarra, KOAT, Action 7 News.
3 board members were not there for the vote, including Governor Lujan Grisham and Lieutenant Governor Harry Morales. The deadline to prosecute criminal cases is about 5 years for felonies and 2 years for misdemeanors.